My name is Larissa Prois. I'm from Brazil. I am a journalist and I worked for 10 years in television production. I was a researcher also, and the last job I had, I was working as a press secretary for the South Brazilian Union.
Where are you now?
I am working as a volunteer teacher for Syrian refugee kids.
What's your favorite local dish?
My favorite food from this place is the one that Ayat's mom. They are a Syrian family that I got to know here in Lebanon. They live right there on that balcony over there, and everything they make is delicious. From the falafel sandwiches that they make to like this very strange soup with like rotten cheese, but everything is very good.
How would you describe a hard day?
Teaching children is not that romantic experience that, oh, they're so cute and adorable. They are indeed cute and adorable, but they are also full of energy and uncontrollable. And, Miss, can I go to the bathroom? Miss, can I drink water? Miss, can I do this? Miss, can I do that? I don't like this, I don't like that. It drives me crazy. I want to find the button, eject planet Earth right now.
How would you describe a perfect day?
It doesn't matter if you have a diploma, it doesn't matter how many languages you speak, it doesn't matter where you've been. Like, to them, you're here and you're teaching them, and that makes it worth. And they thank God every day when you start to talk about things. They say, Miss, we thank God because you're here to help us and to teach us. And so this makes it perfect for me.
What would you say to someone who's thinking about volunteer teaching?
There is no growth when you stay in your comfort zone, but when you step out of your comfort zone, it's an opportunity that you have to develop and grow as a human being.
If you want to serve as an Adventist volunteer, visit vividfaith.com to browse open calls from around the world.